to this Gateway video. I'm Rachel Westwood, Internal Account Manager, and this is one of a series of videos dedicated to the 5 EDI messages in the Gateway suite. In this video we'll cover what is EDI Cataloguing Service, the benefits of using the Cataloguing Service, any prerequisites that are involved, and finish with a summary of the Cataloguing Service message. First of all then, what is EDI Cataloguing Service? In simple terms, it's the delivery of shelf-ready books and their corresponding alto copy and bibliographic information. So how will you and your borrowers benefit from using EDI Cataloguing Service? Well, it removes the need for manual cataloguing and labelling procedures, meaning that items appear on shelves much sooner, and it reduces the cost of acquisitions, so there's potential for more development in other areas of your service. To highlight the efficiency savings to be made, let's have a look at a case study of Leeds Libraries. Post-implementation, Leeds took part in a supply chain cost analysis which generated these comparative figures. The cost of ordering, receipting and cataloguing per acquisition per authority was reduced from £1.35 to just 66p, and the total procurement cost per item was reduced from an average cost across 15 authorities of £2.66 to just £1.31 at Leeds Libraries. So what are the EDI Cataloguing Service prerequisites? These are the things that have to be arranged and checked before your library can do any sort of electronic trading with suppliers. So you must already be sending orders to the supplier via EDI, and the supplier must be accredited for the EDI Cataloguing Service message, and you can check this by looking at the table on the Gateway webpage. The link is shown on screen. This diagram shows the whole EDI supply chain, with the Gateway messages at the centre, and the arrow indicates the point at which the Cataloguing Service message comes in, which is after the point when status reports are generated and data is passed through the gateway to update the item details with barcodes. Before it transmits the data, the gateway performs a range of tasks. It has to split incoming files from suppliers by library. It validates the data and reformats it from standard EDI formats that suppliers use into our own flat file format. And it also generates an audit trail and creates backup files. It does all this work in the evening, and any format problems or transmission failures are swiftly dealt with by the support team. So, Cataloguing Service provides shelf-ready stock and all the alto data required for that stock. When you send a new order to a supplier or confirm a proposed order, the data sent to the supplier includes the item ID of each item ordered. This enables the supplier to use the EDI order fulfillment message to send back item data such as barcodes and shelf marks. A script loads the data into Alto, and subsequently the work attached to the order is overwritten by a work from Talispace. So, implementation of EDI Cataloguing Service in a nutshell. This is the process we use when a customer orders quotes, cataloguing service or invoices. The first thing we do is supply our implementation guides, which provide detailed information on specifying your requirements, evaluating your current procedures, the setup process, and the day-to-day running and testing. A conference call can be organised with the supplier if required. This can be useful to agree timescales and testing procedures. And our consultancy team and the supplier then set everything up, and a test file is produced and processed. For more information on EDI Cataloguing Service or any of the other messages in the supply chain, you can visit the Gateway microsite at www.talis.com/gateway. And if there's anything else you'd like to know, simply email sales@talis.com. Many thanks for listening.